creative process really comes from everything that I see, everything that I do, everything that I experience. I never really think about it because I just do it. It's like usually I'll see something, whether it's a movie, a person, or even feel something, and the next thing I know, it's like, wow, I see like fashion in my head, or I see apparel, and then I try to just create what it is that I felt and kind of put that combination of feeling and visual together. And then usually some kind of garment comes out of it. I don't know whether I'm in a situation where it's in a street or something. I might be inspired by the scaffolding on a building, and I'm thinking how that might be wrapped around the building, and then all of a sudden it's like a corset idea might come into my head, or the frame of a dress or something, or a jacket. I see something creative in everything. First of all, as a person who has confidence and that really has a good sense of style and likes a little of attention, who likes to be different, definitely likes to be different, who has a certain personal swag. Kevin James fashion is not like a Shrinking Violet type of fashion. It's something that you're gonna wear because you like quality clothing, you like well-constructed garments, and you don't like to see what you're wearing anywhere else. So I'm a one-of-a-kind, very limited piece designer. I mean, sometimes you can kind of call it more like an art instead of fashion, but that's the kind of client who likes the art of fashion, the person who doesn't look at clothing as a retail type of thing, but they look at it as more of an expression of themselves. I'm sporadically inspired. I'm so inspired by music. That's my #1 inspiration. Color and different cultures, because with all the different cultures and color and music, it all ties in together fashionably, because in each culture, music and color are very important. It tells you where the person's status is, it tells you who they are, and all these good things where fashion ties into that type of thing, where it comes into the culture. That's really inspirational to me, is those elements, because you could totally tell a fashion story and communicate an idea when you know these cultures and you tie in these elements like color and music. It's absolutely, undeniably fashion. I have to say one of the biggest inspirations for me is my brother, who is an entertainer, a singer, and so when we were younger, I mean, we would sit there and draw all the time. Eventually, he became an entertainer and got in a band and all that stuff, and I started doing all the stage clothes. And so if it wasn't for that experience of him getting into the music business, following my mom's footsteps, I probably wouldn't have had the desire or the experience to do stage wear. And that's a big part of who Kevin James fashion is. It's a lot of stage clothing, stage costuming, and stuff like that. So I have to say, when it comes down to advancing my idea in fashion, it was definitely inspired by my brother. Taking over the world.